Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel and another month of creating cards in 10 minutes. This was formerly called So You Only Have 10 Minutes, where I create the present month's sheetload of cards using Alicia's sketch. This is September 2021 that just came out, and I rushed to print it off because I wanted to get started. I'm going to be doing all my cards within the 10-minute time frame, so it'll take 3 or 4 videos to show you what you can get done in 10 minutes. All right, this is a kind of special. I like it because it looks 3-dimensional, and I've already cut out my pieces. Here's how the sentiment piece is going to look. I think it's kind of cool. And then what I'm doing this time, the pattern paper that I picked out this time was from my set called Go Camping from Cartabella, I believe. It's a little bit thicker, more textured cardstock. And I will give you hints about the cutting. What Alicia said about the generous cut, either right in front of the line or right after the line. Say if you're doing 2 inches, I don't have my cutter with me, I'm sorry. But you either can get on the line or right in front of the line or just a little bit over the line. So generous would be a little over the line or on it. But if you want to make sure you get all the pieces out of this right here, you kind of want to make a little bit before that line, so you'll have enough room. Okay, I had 2 whole pieces left, and which was these 2. I do have some from other patterns that I can make bonus cards with. It'll kind of mix and match. All right. And I already had these cut. These are the regular A2, but they're not going to fold down this way. They're going to fold. I can do portrait style cards with these. These are cut at 5 1/2 and then scored in the middle at 4 1/4. The other way was you cut it at 4 1/4 and then score it 5 1/2. So let's start the clock, and I will put together my card bases. And then we'll get started doing some stamping. Okay, and here we go. I've got the one done already. I cut these pieces out last night, and I don't know what I did with my trimmer. This set, these supplies will make 8 cards. And like I said, I will be using some other pieces to make some bonus cards at the end of the series. Okay. All right, so those are done. look. She has this piece on this side. And then this piece on this side. But we're going to go ahead and stamp. I have my happy birthday stamp. And it's going to seem better days, so I will be putting my vellum adhesive on it. Okay. And I already angled these. And another cutting tip is you take the pieces as they're cut square and you just put this down because it is bigger, so you just put it down to where these are flush, and then you just trim a piece off like that. And of course they're not all equal. You can do it with your scissors or the trimmer, whichever is fine. And let me go ahead and pull these all out, and then we'll start stamping. Now, we'll go ahead and use Island Indigo because I think that matches closer to some of the flowers. Okay. I like the fact that I have the flower paper left over because these can be for women's birthdays. There we go. I think that matches rather nice. I think some reorganization is in order because I was really floundering through my inks trying to find Pacific Point. But I think this would be just as pretty. Okay, we're going to put these pieces on. We got down to a little over 4 minutes. So yeah, it's got that real cool dimensional look. For the inside of the card, I will be doing a sentiment from a old Stampin' Up set. It's called May Your, what is it? here's to another year full of surprises or adventures, something like that. I thought that was fitting of a camping theme. Okay, almost done here. Make sure I get it right. Okay. All right, there's all of those. Okay, let's start on our biggest piece here. And we're gonna put just like that, just a little lip over. And so I will put the tape on this side. Okay. This is burnt orange. Oops, I did it wrong. Oh boy. This is burnt orange cardstock. Oh gosh. I messed that up. We'll figure that out later. This is from Clear Path cardstock. I'll get my words out in a minute. And I've used them often. Okay, there's that one. Oop, boy, that's noisy. Okay, so we are done. And we've got all the front pieces stamped and ready to go. And we just got started putting these on. And then we will go ahead and start assembling the card fronts. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you back soon. Bye-bye.